Huh? This vehicle was being driven by one Mark Ouma Maseno, a driver whom on further interrogation he told the police that he had carried the same and was ferrying it to Mombasa. He had hidden the same among bags of potatoes which he had just offloaded. This is a clear indication by the fact that the exhibit was being ferried on a trailer. It indicates that these people are changing tactics every day in order to confine and confiscate the identity of these drugs. I want to warn all the lorry owners and the drivers not to allow their vehicles to be used for ferrying such drugs, because once we take this lorry to court as an exhibit together with the cannabis, it is going to be detained, and we are going to request that the lorry be forfeited to the state as a punitive measure to deter future such incidents.